Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We got some great news this afternoon. Always great news here on my portfolio. Always positive, always happy, always making money, and always sharing the love. All right, let's get straight into it. The Fed reporting today, minutes are out, and I've got some news for you. But look at you can see how the markets are reacting. My portfolio has been pumping all afternoon. Let's get straight into the trades and see where we are right now. Okay, here we are. Let's go through all my stocks and let's have a quick look at where we are. Robbie Cooper. Hi, Martin. How are you? Robbie, lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If your first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. The markets are reacting positively this afternoon. At least my portfolio is anyway. Let's go through my entire portfolio. Virgin Galactic has been coming up all day. Rio Tinto coming up. The Fed reports, the minutes are out, and we've got some information that is all good to share. All right, Virgin Orbit is now down 7.29 today, trying to push up. Tesla is heading up to that $1,000 again. I said it would get to $1,000 by the end of this week. Love it, looking great. Rivian is coming back up again. So is Lucid, and Polestar is rising again, and Arrival is on the way up. Amazon on the way up. It's a nice big recovery. Apple having a great day today, up 1.54. What happened with the Fed minutes? We'll discuss it later on in the show. Got lots to share. Robinhood is coming up as well, and McDonald's is up 0.53. Coca-Cola is up 0.18. Johnson & Johnson up 0.32. Google is down very slightly but pushing up again, and Microsoft having a great day as well, up 0.15. At the moment, Meta is down 1.39, but again, coming up. SoFi, bit of a down day, down 7%, but hopefully we'll improve on that. IonQ up 49% now. I am on IonQ. Very, very nice indeed. This is the future of computers. Amazon's second highest investment. And also, it's the technology that goes into the EVs. Very, very important for the future. PayPal is through $100 and holding. That's good. Rolls-Royce doing its usual barcoding today. Walmart up 0.24. And Target has been improving throughout the day. They're slightly disappointing earnings, if I'm honest, but their projections for the next quarter looks very promising. Okay, doing all the right things. Tesco is up 0.31. Canoe, I'm up 10.59% now. Gove on this one. On semiconductors, also doing very well, up 33%. Tilray Brands up 1.07% today, and Ginkgo Bioworks is down 10.94. Ginkgo Bioworks, am I buying any more? No, I've already made a good profit on this. This is a great company for the future. Not a bad time to get some more right now. I've made a very nice profit on it. I would like to get it if it goes cheaper. Only came here for the Fed minute. You only came here for the Fed minute. Why don't you ring up Jerome Powell? He's got more information than me, but I will tell you some exciting news. We will be sharing more of it throughout the day as it breaks, but first of all, it does appear that the Fed are going to be slowing down the rate of rate hikes. Well, there's no surprise. There's no surprise there. I knew that was coming because it looks like inflation has peaked in the US. Not over there in Europe, of course, but here in the US, it does look like that. I'm still waiting for Bitcoin and Ethereum and to crash big time, and I'm waiting to pick it up. All right. So there we go. That's a little bit update for you. I'm going to keep my eye on more news coming out. But right now, as I say, the Fed have suggested that rate hikes are going to be slowing, which is great news for this stock market, for my investments. Very happy. And as you can see, the overall markets reacted positively to it. We got a bit of fear today. Didn't know where it was going, and around about this time here, which was around about 10:45, started to get wind of where this was going, and throughout the day, the markets have been rising steadily. At least my portfolio has. This is my portfolio right now. Okay, so We're going to keep our eye on any more news that we get out. Only post the best. How are you this afternoon? Only post the best. Lovely to have you with us. Where are you from? And what part of the world are you from? What happened with the minutes? Well, we're getting bits of information coming out all the time. The first thing I got to find out was the Fed expect the rate hikes to slow. Now, there's still great caution. People are still fearful. Is it going to be is the Fed likely to get more hawkish, or is it a soft landing? Well, the jury is still out on that, but the markets are suggesting perhaps a soft landing. I'm quite happy with my position. I've not sold anything. I've not bought any more. I'm fully aware that we are in a bear market. I want to make sure that I've got plenty of wiggle room in my stocks. I like to trade and invest where I've got 20, 30, 40, 50% profits. So when we have bad days, I'm still up. I just soak it up. I like that. It means I'm always calm, relaxed, chilled, never worry, never stress. All right. I'm great. Little Rock, Arkansas. Go Hogs. Only post the best. It's lovely to have you here. My name is Martyn Lucas. Let me share with you my TV studio. Here he goes. This is my studio. I'm in Dallas, Texas, but I'm actually from Cornwall in England. And in this studio behind me, for charities like cancer research and the Lions Club and stuff like that, I've raised over $1 million for my charities. In the studio, let me give you a wave. How you doing? And our members can all have that perk. It's a perk. I used to charge for the service. I used to do a lot of fundraising. I still do. But now I do it for free for my members. I don't charge you anything. I don't charge commission. It's just a gift to my members. It's what we do here. We're here to help people. We're here to make money. We're here to support charities. We're here to give cash prizes away. That's why we're here. That's what this channel is all about. We go live 10 hours a day for you, trying to bring you the best, most honest, most real finance YouTube channel. We have two. We have the music and Love Dallas, Go Cowboys. Well, my wife would say Go Cowboys. I'm more Go England. But there you go. Dallas Cowboys aren't any good though, are they? They don't win anything. Very dovish minutes. Very dovish minutes. Looks like the Fed gave up on inflation. Hyperinflation next, but good for stocks. There we go. There's some more information there from Market Profit. Yes, it does look like that. It does look like that they're bringing the rate hikes, slowing them down. So that is good for stocks. And that's what we're doing here, right? We're here to try and grow our portfolios and make money. So I wonder when you think, market, that the stocks will take off. They've been improving all day. The markets have been improving all day. Smash the like button if you've just come on in, and give us a thumbs up. That really, really helps our channel. All right, there you go. Okay. But when do you think it will start to affect the actual, the market today? Probably going into the close. We have gone earlier today. I wanted to catch this rise throughout the afternoon. If you look at my portfolio now, it dropped down nearly $1.5 grand, nearly $2 grand today. Back up 44. A lot of that is thanks to Tesla. You got to have the right shares. Assets in your portfolio, and I know a lot of people don't agree with me, but Tesla, I believe, is going to go all the way to $1,000 this week. That's what I think, especially now after the minutes. All right, so Tesla is up 925.67. I'm up 31%. I like that. I'm holding that position. I like to have a nice big cushion. If things drop 30%, I'm still on the right side of it. Market dynamics and fundamentals no longer matter. Only up until the Fed Jackson Hole meeting in mid-September. Mid-September, we'll have the whole meeting and we run it live for you. So you'll be seeing that. That's in September. Looking forward to that. So we'll be there with that one. But anyway, looking at the stocks right now, looking pretty good. I'm holding my position. If you've just tuned in, thank you very much indeed. Subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. We've only got 8 likes on the video right now and 12 watching, so we'd love a few more likes if you wouldn't mind helping us out. That would be very, very nice. Over there on TikTok, good afternoon to you. Thanks for all the follows, and very nice of you to be here for us this afternoon. If anybody wants to join me for a cold one, you can have out the day trader glass. Trey Dorfner. What's one stock you think I should buy as soon as possible? Well, that's a question and a half. I don't like giving financial advice like that. I don't give financial advice. I share my real trades, my real stock, my real positions. If you want to see my entire portfolio, this is my portfolio. I'll share with you right now on the screen. I've grown this from $5,000 to 44 where it is today. It'll come up on the screen in about 10 seconds because YouTube is about 10 seconds behind me talking to you here. There you go. There's my actual trades, my actual position. That's my overall portfolio. And the purpose of this, all my money is in the stock. Other than $2,000 in the bank, everything is here. So if it goes to zero, I lose everything. That's the purpose of this channel. It's real. What would I buy right now? What would I buy right now? Honestly, I wouldn't buy anything right now. I've been buying the dips for the last 6 months. And over the last month, I'm up nearly sort of 50%. I wouldn't be chasing anything right now. But if you're not in the stock right now, what would I be buying right now? I would say it'd have to be for stability, security, peace of mind. And peace of mind and relaxation is everything. Because without that, you're all over the place. You're not trading. You're not investing. You're all over the place. Would have to be the S&P 500. Overall, VOO or SPY, whichever way. That's what I would do right now. Can we see your all-time? Yes, you can. My all-time. Happy to share it with you. My all-time is, as you can see, I lost everything from December. Here, it will come up in about 10 seconds' time. Here was November, December. There it goes. And we crashed all the way down. I sold out here, took a loss, waited for this, and I bought around about May and went all in, and I put 10 years of investments that I would put every week, every month for the next 10 years in now. And I bought this. And since then, as you can see, I've been rising up. So to put it in real basic terms, imagine here at my peak here, can you see that on the screen? Right there, look. It's about 10 seconds behind. I'll keep doing it for 10 seconds. Yeah, up round here, let's say I had 10 shares. All right, and let's say they were $10 each. Well, if you can imagine now down at the bottom of the curve, give it 10 seconds to catch up with YouTube. Down here, I now have, say, a million shares, and I have them at a half price. That's basically what I've done. So there you go. That's what I'm doing. Anyway, you're very, very welcome. I suggest Trey says, I suggest Ethereum might hit 2,000. I wouldn't buy Ethereum or Bitcoin. I've made my money. I'm out of that right now. I'm waiting for it to go down, which it will. So I wouldn't suggest anyone buy Ethereum or Bitcoin right now, but you do what you want. I don't give financial advice. I just share with you what I'm doing with my real money, and we're joined every day by traders from around the world who share with you their honest trades, their honest positions. So you can see what all my traders and investors are actually doing with their actual money. All right, okay. Market dynamic. Let's have a look at it. We've read that comment already from Market Profit. No longer Matt until only up until the Fed Jackson Hole meeting in mid-September. Great day, everyone. GTEC for the win. Nits Feralds. I would love to do a review of the stock, make a video on it and promote it, but you're not a member right now, so it's reserved for members. It's one of the members' perks. John Micklewayne by BBIG is one of our members, and Logan Pizza as well. John says buy BBIG. Buy big, or is that a spelling mistake? Is that a spelling mistake? What was that? Buy big, BBIG. Is that a stock? Vinco Ventures. Let's have a little look at it. Vinco Ventures. Let's have a look. Up 26% today. Digital media and content technologies. Operates business platforms through video sharing, social networking platform. Vinco Ventures. It's not one for me, I don't think. There's enough of this on the market. Doesn't do anything proprietary. And also, it's up now on the week 86%. Flying as last 2 days. I wouldn't be buying it now, though. I wouldn't be buying it now because that growth is too sudden. That growth there is way too sudden. That to me looks very suspect to me. I don't like that. Where's the company from? New York, been around to 2017, 11 million average, so it's low volume. It's a very small company, 336 million. Yeah, that's not for me. That's very risky, I think. John McElwain, not for me, that one. But I'm glad you've made some money. Are you selling it? I joined your PAN cord. You joined my PAN cord? What's the PAN cord? You mean Discord? Do you mean Discord? I have to sometimes translate, I think. Nits, I did see you here. Is this you, is it? Is this you? Let me share on the screen. Nits Referral. Is this you? That's probably you. You're a non-member though, a non-YouTube member. So you only see the public channels. You can't call into the show. You can't see my trading tips. You can't communicate with me. You need to be a YouTube member to do that. And then I manually upgrade you. So right now you are a Discord member, not a YouTube member. Yes, Discord. Yeah, I can see you on the screen. I'm assuming that's you. I would gladly upgrade you. I would upgrade you and give you membership status here on the show. And what I do, look, I click on this, look, your roles, and there you go. I make you a member. See that there, look? But I can't do that because you're not a YouTube member. So it's a perk of being a YouTube member. Anyway, many perks you get as a member once you become a member. Anyway, let's. I'm a nobody. You're not a nobody. You're just not a member of the family. Right now, you are a welcome guest of our family. Very welcome guest. Evening, boss. Good afternoon, Tom. How are you? CMV Studios is here in the house. Lovely to have you with us. So the Fed minutes are reporting that it's quite dovish. We've said that from Market Profit. It does look like they are slowing the pace of rate hikes, which is great for the stocks, and that's why you can see my entire portfolio rising today. It's sold off again. People are always fearful, aren't they? Always fearful. Everybody sold off this morning. It's like, no, it's like, does anyone know what they're doing? I often ask this question. You know, the best brains in the business, the hedge funders, everybody who works on the stock market, right? Everyone is full of fear. They're supposed to be educated. They're supposed to know what's going on. They're supposed to know how the stock market works, and yet everyone's sold off because everyone's scared. Now everyone buys back in again. It's like the stock market is run by a load of sheep, a load of lemons. It really does look like that. These are the best people in the business. The American stock market ain't got a clue what they're doing. Everyone's sold out today. Oh, what's going to happen? What's the Fed going to do? Oh, hang on a minute. It's okay. Buy back in again. It's like no one has a clue what they're doing, do they? I think I'm the only calm, relaxed person on who invests here. I don't know what's going on. I didn't sell this morning. Did you? Did you all get out and then buy back in again? I didn't. It was suspended last week. What was suspended last week? Scroll up, says Paul B. Scroll up. Let's have a look. Crypto broker Genesis has laid off 20% of its staff, and yet Crypto.com gains more regulatory approval today in the UK and growing staff numbers. If you know, you know. There you go. If you know, you know. I like that. I like that comment from Paul B. Very good indeed. All right. So markets are recovering now. Will Tesla, like I predicted, reach $1,000 this week? Still believe it. I know 100% that Virgin Galactic will be $100 a share as soon as it starts flying regularly. We know that as well. Hope that was supposed to happen this year, but that's been delayed now. So anyway, who just bought? Snob Tibbleman just bought. What have you just bought? It's safe. Don't be scared because it's still increasing. What's that? Ethereum. You're buying it on the way up. That's the first rule of investing. You don't buy it when it goes up. You buy it when it goes down. If the fundamentals are good and the stock has every reason to go up. Stock goes down because everyone's selling it. That's when you buy it. When everybody else is buying, you don't do anything. You don't chase the stock. again, just lemmings. We're all looking at charts of what happened last week, and everyone was going, oh, it's going up, so I'm going to follow you. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that at all. How is the other boss today? How was the other boss? You mean the main boss? SB Trades is now following on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. And SB Trades, thanks for your follow on Twitch. If you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, the money I get from subscribers I give back to you as cash prizes. And I've no idea why a few of my subscribers unsubscribed today on Twitch. It's free using Amazon Prime, and the money that I get, I give back to you. So I don't know why you'd unsubscribe from Twitch. It makes no sense whatsoever. Anyway, you're giving away free money. Would he like some? Yes, he. Paul B. Paul B is saying to you. Let's have a look. No, I'm talking about. Who would like? Tesla May keeps going up this week. Tesla. Who would like some Ethereum news? We've got our crypto expert here on YouTube. He'd like to share with you some Ethereum news. Who'd like some Ethereum news? Anybody? Paul B's got some Ethereum. Go on then. Go on then, Paul. He said, yes, please. Do we know where Virgin Galactic will start its space trips for the you mean when? When Virgin Galactic will start trips? It was supposed to be Q1 of 2023. So end of this year, going into the first quarter of next year. And now it looks like the second quarter. So we've got a bit of ways to go. But that doesn't mean to say we can get some very good news before then. And we know that Elon Musk is going to fly. I've got my name down, by the way, to fly with Virgin Galactic. My name's on the list. I just can't afford the deposit right now. And but to that day's coming. Buy low, sell high. I find the cash cows and swing away. Buy low, sell high. I find the cash cows and swing away. Sure, Paul B. Give us the rumor. I may buy. There you go. There you go. Nits for Rolls is going. Yep. Give it to me. I might buy. All right. Let's have a little look. Rio Tinto has been going up all day. We've just got those dividends. I've got $109 of dividends about to be paid out. I'm very excited about that. $109. That's like nearly 2 shares. Not quite. 1.9 shares for free. Very nice. Are the trips gonna be overly expensive? A couple $100,000. A lot of money for me and you, but there are millions of people who can afford that. And it's not just the trips either. It's the stays in the hotels and the whole package around it as well. It's so that would hurt the earnings till prices drop. No, it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. John, BBIG was suspended last week. You looked at it thinking it was going bankrupt. Ah, I remember. John, BBIG was suspended last week. You looked at it thinking it was going bankrupt. That's right, I remember, John. Thank you very much for that. I'm ready to take part in the Neuralink trial. Plug me in. I'll have a go at that as well. Yeah, it's funny how no one's scared, right? It's quite funny actually. Everyone's fearful of the markets. They'll sell off their money. Just a bit of money doesn't do anything. But they have no problem at all from plugging themselves into a Neuralink. There you go. No problem at all doing that. I've got no problem with plugging my brain into a computer, but lose my stocks and shares. Oh no, can't have that. Quite funny, really. Okay, we've got an extended show today. Extended show. I hope you're enjoying it. It's lovely to have you here. Let's have a quick drink. Let's go through our stocks and see where we are right now. The Church of Logic, or risk going to space. Or risk going to space. Yeah, exactly. You're quite okay to sit yourself on a rocket and blow yourself up. Okay with that. But God forbid we hold our stocks and shares and don't sell out. Yeah, God forbid we do that. Paul B, I feel you. I made out the bandit, eh? Paul B, I feel you and I made out like a bandit on Coinbase. There you go. Logan Pizza says, I heard Tesla is getting too many orders. They're having a hard time getting cars out. That's a good thing, Logan Pizza, and they're increasing their output anyway. That's good. Or can I only see this is a foreshadow to a great earnings? Next quarter will be their best earnings ever. 100%. If you sell out now of Tesla, you must be barking mad. Oh, Mike! It's Mike here. Leah's just brought me in a lovely latte. See in the chat, you can buy my fancy mug. You can also, the glass, you can also get my fancy mug. Oh, see, you would make more money if you were drinking your latte out of a mug like this. I ain't got any mates on TikTok. I ain't got any mates. No one likes me on TikTok. Don't worry about that, Paul B. Scroll up some Ethereum news for your TikTok mate. For your TikTok mate. Scroll up. I love how Paul B comes on here and runs my show. It's like Paul B's my director. I'm the anchor. I'm the anchor on the news channel, and Paul B's the director. Scroll up. So it's got one of those, like, what do you call them? Auto cues, and he's winding it up and down, going, look up, look down. It's like, flipping heck, mate. The total number of Ethereum name service registrations, ENS, surpassed 2 million. And JP Morgan says Ethereum merge to proof of stake will lead Coinbase to a bigger revenue company. These are facts of the day. These are facts of the day, Paul B. I like all this. The total number of Ethereum name service registrations, ENS, has surpassed 2 million. And JP Morgan says Ethereum merge to proof of stake will lead Coinbase to a bigger revenue opportunity. There you go, from Paul B. Tom wants me to mention something. I'll do that in a second. Who would sell Tesla with the stock split coming up? Well, a bit mad if you ask me, if you sell Tesla right now, but then that's up to you. But there may be good reason for it. I'm not going to say nothing. If you want to sell your Tesla, you go ahead. It's your money. I would try and buy Tesla on a stock split. Well, you need to buy it before the stock split, not on the stock split. That's you want to buy it before. You want to buy it now. Buy it now. Buy. Okay, here we go. We need a very, very quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds. Are you ready? 10 seconds and counting. Start your stopwatches. Start your stopwatches. Stop. That doesn't even make sense. Start your watches. There you go. That's confused you. Here we go. There you go. I started my stopwatch. Okay. I think I put the ad in. No money now or later on a split. Well, why say it then? Why confuse everybody? Just dreaming. That's what I do all the time, Bill. Way to go. I'll wait till after so I can get it at an affordable rate. It's the same deal. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, I'm going to wait. Yeah, you can imagine some people saying that, right? I've heard from my mate down the pub that there's a stock split, insider trading, inside knowledge. There's a bit of a deal going on at Tesla. Yeah, what's that, mate? What's that? Well, don't tell anyone. But this is what I've heard. I've heard from my mate Delboy down the pub that in a week or so, you can buy Tesla's share. It's $900 right now. It's going to be $300. Just wait until stock split day. So what's stock split day? What's that mean? Well, isn't that 3 for 1? So it's exactly the same. No, it's not. You can buy a share for $300 on the split day. Right now it's $900. Right? Yeah, but you get 3 for 1. So if you buy 900 worth, you get 3. No, because you're paying $900 for a share. Okay. And on stock split day, you can pay $300. Right? That sounds like a good idea, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, buy it on stock split day. It's $300 on stock split day. Yeah, I'm going to wait. Thanks for the top tip, mate. Appreciate it. No worries. Anytime. I'm not into fractions. Why not? It doesn't make any flipping difference whether you own... I was like that, church. When I started, I was just like that. I hated it. When I had 1.143 of a share, it annoyed me. I kind of had to sell the 0.43 all the time. It was like OCD. And now I don't care because now I've grown up. Now I'm a real boy. I want to be a real boy. Basic maths, common man. Yeah. Basics maths, people. I know. There are some people who think like that, though. Hang on a minute. It's $300. I'm going to buy it. Anyway. The 900 becomes 3 times 300. I know. It's very complicated, Bill. Yeah. The 900 becomes 3 times 3. Yep. It's like going down the supermarket and going, I want one pound of apples, please. All right. You can have 1 pound of apples. Do you want 10 apples that all add up to 1 pound, or do you want a 1 pound apple? Because we have a 1 pound really big apple. Well, what's the best value? What's the same? Well, I get 10, don't I? Get 10 for 1. I want 10. Yeah, but you actually get less because in the 10 there's cores and pips. Oh yeah. So if I get the one big one, it's better value. Yeah. The churches are a percentage regardless, whole shares or free. Yeah, I know, exactly the same. Exactly the same. When I started out, I was like that. I didn't like fractional shares. It doesn't make a difference. What it's all about, guys, it's not about price. It's about value and percentages. That is all that matters. Nothing else matters. Price, irrelevant. Value, everything. Percentages, everything. Are you up 10% on $1? Then you're up 10%. It makes a difference. I wonder, only buy Tesla after the split if for some reason the stock began to go under 300. Well, yeah, that's like every stock though. I'm not going to buy a stock because it might go cheaper. Then you wouldn't buy anything. I'm not buying any stock that potentially could go cheaper. Then you need to start buying commodities, not buying stocks and shares, because I guarantee they're going to go lower. Okay, you win, bloody hell. Yes, I know I win. It's not hard, this, mate. This is basic stuff here. Bloody hell. He's literally saying, okay, I get it. Finally, the penny's dropped. 10 toes up, 10 toes down. If that ain't screwing, best learn what you're doing. 10 toes up, 10 toes down. If that ain't screwing, best learn what you're doing. All right. It's that kind of show which makes no sense again. Right, now we are seeing a drop right now, I will tell you. We are getting a drop. This is expected now. We'll get a drop and then we'll get a rise into the close. That's what I predict is going to happen right now. Okay. I'm keeping my eye on any more Fed news that comes out. Market profit will keep us up to date as well. Okay, I've got some latest news here for you. Let me clear that away a minute. So get rid of Paul B's comments. Paul B's comments are over everything now. He's like taking over the show. Fed plans more rate hikes, then it sees a potential pause. This is just some moments ago. Updated 124. No, it's about an hour ago. Minutes from the Federal Reserve July 26-27 meeting show central bankers remain alarmed over persistently high inflation and a very tight labour market, putting them on course to continue raising rates into restrictive territory. Fed members also suggested that the pace of rate hikes and balance sheet shrinkage would be data dependent and that it likely would become appropriate at some point to slow the pace of tightening while assessing the impact of policy changes on bringing down inflation. There we go. 0.5, then no more rate hikes after this. Yes, that's where I see it going, and that's my prediction as well. That's exactly where I see it going. I'm a Trojan horse. Yeah, you are. You like those flipping those Greeks. You know the old Troy. All that film with what's his face, Brad Pitt. That's you coming in, you Trojan horse, sticking comments everywhere. I don't even know when they just appear all over the place. Anyway. We got day trader of the day coming up very shortly as well. We are getting this is a bit of a surprise. Let me show the overall situation. The overall portfolio is down right now. It's dropping down again. It rose on the news and now it's selling off. So let's see where we go from here. I predict we will rise into the close. Let's see what you think actually. Let's see what you think. Okay, I'm going to run a poll and see what you all think about that. My prediction is we will rise into the close. Will we rise into the close? There you go. Will we rise into the close? Yes or no? I would like your thoughts on that. Do you have any thoughts on that? I would like you to tell me. All right. Okay. Right, I'm just releasing earnings for Target. And this is coming out now. So if you want the edited version of the earnings this morning, you can. I'm just about to release it. This is the Target earnings edit. Target earnings edit. And there we go. It's ready to rock and roll. Target earnings edit. That's going out. I'm about to post it now. There we go. I'm going to put that out now. I'm just going to make it public. I'm not going to do a premiere. I'm just going to put it out. There we go. That's now public. Target earnings is out. That's the edited version with all the bits of bobs taken out. All right. You might be interested to catch the edited version. Many people like to watch just the actual highlights. I take nothing out, just the parts before and after that I'm talking.
Second quarter earnings release conference call.
Let me just mute that a minute. There we go. There we go. It's going out now. Excellent. There we go. So if you want to catch the minutes, you can. That's now just been published. Right. Getting back to our main position, we are losing share at the moment. What else is happening along the markets? Virgin Orbit had an awful day today. I'm up 10%. There's no bad news. I've been watching the news for Virgin Orbit. There is no bad news. But we are getting the overall markets now selling off. We're getting a bit of a sell-off now. Virgin Orbit, I'm still up 10%, but we are losing right now. What about Tesla? Yep, Tesla. All of a sudden, everything is selling off. I think, what do you all think? No. 80% say no. There will not be a rise into the close. So what is the reason for this then? Why does everybody think now we're getting a sell-off? Even though that the Fed news was good for the stocks, Market Profit even said that. He said it was good for the stocks. Why are we seeing everything sell off? Ali Tisro says we're expecting 3 months of red days. Yes, post-market jump today. Apple is up 1%. Anyone do a health check on Rob? Rob Brennan? Rob Brennan was here yesterday. He was fine. Thanks very much for asking. He's actually got some good news. He's getting his finances together. That's all I can share on that, I think. But the good news is he's getting his finances together. For those of you who don't know, Rob Brennan's a member of our family, and he lost a huge amount of money on Virgin Galactic. He bought it fully margined right up with a very small drop that would wipe him out, and that's exactly what happened. And it took the stocks away, sold them when they're down, took it all away. He was all in on one stock, all in on margin. Very painful day, but he structured it out, worked out how to clear that debt, and he's all good. But yeah, market, I'm afraid, wasn't very good. Charlie Bucket! I got a golden ticket. I've got a golden ticket. I've got a golden ticket. Charlie Bucket, I think overseas bleak outlook with housing inflation numbers are going to rip our markets apart. Great. Wish him the best. Yeah, very nice indeed. I hope he's here or watching in the background to see that. Very nice indeed. Good message. Thank you. Right, everything else. Yeah, there's nothing good about my stocks today at all. Everything is down. Now, I thought we'd have stayed up with that. Jasdeep Singh, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Target, they recovered a bit from this morning's earnings. Walmart has even fallen back. It's a bit of a disaster right now. Watching everything sell down. How far will it go? On is rising. Tilray Brands, I'm up 8%. We've lost a lot there. Ginkgo Bioworks, I've given away nearly all my profits on Ginkgo. Enphase Energy, up 0.16. Bitcoin, down nearly 4% now. Yep, 3.4 on BTC. Ethereum is also down 4%. Someone just said today you should buy Ethereum. I wouldn't buy anything right now. It's why I haven't been... Now can everybody see why I haven't been buying over the last few weeks? I've just been enjoying the rise, because if I was buying the last few weeks, I would be already down. Well, I'm not down, I'm up by nearly 50%. So that's why I didn't buy, because I'm expecting this to do this for a while. So I am not buying anything, I'm simply riding it out. I know everybody wants to see me buy and all the rest of it, but that wouldn't be the right thing to do. That wouldn't be the right thing to do, so I'm not doing it. Because people do not trust the Fed at all. Is that what it is? I don't trust the Fed or the markets. I just trust myself with making educated investments into the future. That's why a balanced portfolio of the right stocks, some growth stocks, some high-tech risk stocks, some stocks that pay you a dividend, and balance it all out. CSX, please. CSX, absolutely. CSX for you. Let's have a little look. CSX. The old choo-choo trains. Like this one. What's his name? Bill Gates likes trains. So does Warren Buffett, by the way. CSX. Now then, same story. Look, it rose and then it's all falling back. So similar story. If you look at the overall, if I share with you, look at CSX and now look at my overall portfolio. See a pattern? See that? Look, it's identical, isn't it? It's identical. This is not stock related. I like Church of Logic. Why? You like Church of Logic because he's swearing. Why? I like the Church of Logic. There you go. He was a very good guest on my show the other day, and I've got his video to edit as well. I've got so much stuff to get done. It's very difficult now with the amount of stuff I have to do to try to get everything done. There you go. Oil, please. What about oil? I don't believe in oil. Waste of time. Too volatile. Don't like it. It should stay in the ground. I'm not a fan of oil. Don't invest in oil. I'm very, very sorry. Oh, this is a nice latte that Liam made me today. You can't go wrong with a latte. And Nits too, you should become a member, mate. Yeah, he should. He should. He can hear it. Hey, I'm here. It's like, make an announcement. Talk about ego. Look at that, ego. I'm here. Everybody, Caden Youngquist is here. The show can begin now. The show can begin. Caden Youngquist has arrived. Hey, I'm here. Brilliant. Are you going to do that when you come to our party on the 15th of October? 15th of October, by the way, is what about petroleum? What do you mean, what about petroleum? Are you being funny with me? Petroleum, oil, same thing. Same thing. You can laugh, Caden. You can laugh. But congratulations, by the way, Caden, on the growth of your channel and also on the quality of the videos. They're getting better. I like how you're learning every time. You're looking at the video. Always watch it back and think, how can I make it better? Really just get obsessive about that. Get obsessive with learning. Get obsessive with trying to improve it. Get obsessive with beating targets. Never give up. Always push forward. Always try to do better. Because you always can. Caden Youngquist got me dying. I know. Innit, mate? I'm here. It's like the show can begin now. Kate, we've been just sat here waiting, saying the stocks cannot continue until Caden Youngquist arrives. And then he walks through the door like magic. When meme stocks go up 2,000%, then I'll buy a private jet and come over. There you go. You'll buy a private jet, will you? You won't hire one. Oh, by the way, top tip. Does anyone want to know how to go on a private jet for the same price as a regular flight? I know how to do it. Do you want to know how to go on a private jet anywhere in the world for the same price as a regular flight anywhere in the world? Do you want to know how to do it? Go on. I want someone to say, yeah, I want to know. Petroleum is used in millions. Yes, it is. Petroleum is used in millions of daily products. I totally agree with you. Members only. Yeah, you're right. Not for free. Yeah, you're right. I'm not going to tell anyone here. Get a bunch of friends to pay with you. No. Hey, you're right. Maybe I should just do a members only video for that very information. No, I'll tell you. You can fly anywhere in the world on a private jet. You don't have to go through security at the airport because it's only you on the plane. So if you want to blow yourself up, that's fine. It's only you, right? So you skip all the security. No, not be the pilot. And you can go for the same price as you can on regular flights. Okay. What you do, there are websites you can go on looking for private flights, and it's called a dead flight. You're looking for the dead flights. What the dead flights are, it's when somebody hires a private jet, or a group of people hire a private jet to fly from, let's say, New York to London. All right, very, very expensive, cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars. Right, they've got to bring the plane back, and there's a website you can go on. Not Deadhead. No, it's not a Deadhead. And there are several different websites you can go on. Just Google it, and then you will find where those flights are, and you can book them at the regular price of a regular flight, and that's how you can fly on a private jet. And now, when you fly on the private jet and you come back, don't expect them to lay on, the fancy waitresses with the champagne and all that, take you to your seat and everything. You'll just walk on, sit down and fly back. You won't get any fancy treatment, but you will get the plane to yourself. It will be a little, what do they call those? A Learjet, one of those type of things. And it'd just be you and two other people sat on the plane, or whatever it might be, 10 people or whatever. And that's how you get a private jet. You don't have to go through security. You don't have to do any of that stuff at the airport. You just rock up in your limousine, get on and fly. Easy. And that's how you do it. You just find out where someone has flown into, and then the plane needs to be returned. What do we search? Why, you fancy doing it, do you? I forgot the name of it now. Private jet. Book a private jet. I don't know. Just Google it. But that's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you can fly like a rock star without paying the prices. But you, as I say, you don't get the red carpet. They don't put the red carpet out for you. You don't get the waitress come up to you and say, "Hey, would you like caviar with your champagne?" You're just flying back. All right. There you go. Anyway, welcome everybody. Thanks for being here. Subscribe, ring the bell. Let us know you're here. How many likes have we got? 27 watching. How many likes have we got on this video right now? We got 7. Right, that's rubbish. We got 30 likes and 17. Only half of you have liked the video. So here comes a 1 minute strike. I want 20 likes at least. You ready? Chiggy 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 pow pow. Chiggy 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 pow pow. Will the real Sotoshi stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Will the real Sotoshi stand up? Nakamoto. 20 likes. There we go. I want 2 more likes. Otherwise, this is going to go on for 3 hours. It's going to keep going around and around and around. 20. Went from 18 to 20. 2 more. Unbelievable. You come on here, you watch a show for free. I pour my heart and soul out of it, and you don't even click the like button. Unbelievable. 21. There we go. That'll do. 24. See? You're just sitting there. You're just sitting there waiting. Minding your own business. I know how it goes. Right, there we go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Such a crazy day today, Count Chocula. It is. It's a rubbishy market today. No one knows what they're doing. They sell out because they don't know what's going on. Then they buy back in again, and then they sell back out. It's a day trader's dream right now. But I'm not in the mood for trading. I don't think it's the right time to trade at all. I'm just holding my positions and gaining percentages, gaps in between for security, because anything can happen right now. Over the next couple of months, this will set my market for the next 10 years. The next couple of months will set my market for the next 10 years. Because over the next couple of months, we're going to work out where this market is going. We're going to really find out if the Fed has peaked. If inflation has peaked, we'll know that. We'll know what the effect from Europe, because over in Europe, we've got extreme inflation. We'll see where that's going. And we'll really get to see where the markets are going. We'll have more information. I think the war could start to see some conclusion over the next couple of months. I think that's going to happen. I think Ukraine are turning the tide there. We'll get some kind of development on monkeypox and COVID will stabilize. And we'll really start to see where the markets are going long term over the next couple of months. So next couple of months for me is just holding on. Buying the extreme dips when things go below my all-time lows, not really trading, building up that percentage gap. So if we do drop 20%, I'm still up 10%, that kind of thing. And that's what I want to do. Anyway. And also, next couple of months, we might have some good news coming out of Virgin Galactic, which could take my SPCE stock up to, $15, $20 a share, and then I can start to take some profits off the table, start to, put more cash on the side, and, that's the way I see it going. What's your opinion on NVIDIA? I don't really have one, to be honest with you. It's not done well recently. There's not much profit in those companies. I've got my money in Microsoft. I haven't got anything invested at all in NVIDIA at the moment. It's a difficult market to navigate, honestly. Any war with the USA or Russia is a never-ending war. What did the Feds talk about? Well, basically, the Fed overall, what the Fed had to say is the highlight. Let me give you the highlight. Stocks, unlimited money. Let me give you the highlight. We've got more information coming out throughout the day, but essentially, what I've got for you is the minutes from the Federal Reserve, which happened on July 26-27 meeting, show central bankers remain alarmed over persistently high inflation and a very tight labour market. Now, according to Market Profit, he says they've given up on inflation, and they are going to start slowing down the rate of the rate hikes. So we are expecting in September to see a 0.5% rate hike, which is good for stocks, but it's saying that we can't control inflation according to Market Profit. So we'll see. That's basically the short and long of it today. Let the bells ring out and the banners fly. It's a big day tomorrow. Why? Oh, is it the 1 year anniversary tomorrow, I believe, of Bill watching this show. He's watched it 5 days a week for a year. Comes tomorrow. Bill's. I wonder if Bill's badge. I don't know if he was a member from day one. He probably wouldn't have been, because I only started having memberships and monetized in December. So he won't be 1 year old yet. When he's 1 year old, I think his badge will turn pink and then it goes red. Or does it go red first and then pink? I think it is. Anyway, what's tomorrow? Stocks Unlimited. Yeah, he's going, what's tomorrow? Oh, okay. It's a big day for Bill. It's a big day for me. And it's a big day for all Bill's friends. Stocks Unlimited, you've just come in here for the first time going, I don't know what that's about. But we're a family here. We take care of each other. We've raised Bill a lot of money. We fixed his mobility scooter for him. And he's won $100 in prizes and all sorts of stuff. Evening all, Easy C is in the house. I'm glad to see that Easy C didn't come in like Caden Youngquist. Caden Youngquist came in and made an announcement he had arrived. I've been subbed for 2 months. Stocks Unlimited. But we're talking about dedicated fans here. Stocks Unlimited. We're talking about people who watch the show 2 hours every day in the morning, 2 hours every night, 4 hours a day, 5 days a week for a year. We're talking millions of hours of commitment here. We're talking millions of hours, and he's been a member. And ask any of our members why they're members. They get 10 times out what they put in. You reckon it's a good time to buy Virgin Galactic before commercial flight? Of course it is. Absolutely right. If I didn't think so, I mean, judge me from my actions. Virgin Galactic, I have 13% of my portfolio. Right? I've currently got $9,600 in my portfolio of Virgin Galactic. I'm only up now 1.56. So I'm right at the bottom now. My average is 672. And I'm holding it. So, of course, it's a good time to buy it because it's near the price that I paid for it. There you go. And as I've said before, decide how much money you want to put into Virgin Galactic, for example. And once you've done that, do 25% now. If it goes down 5%, do another 25%. And then do that, and every time it goes down by that amount. That way you've got cash on the side. Should there be a fire sale, like just before an earnings, it drops 10%. That way you've not over allocated yourself. You've not got carried away. You're not chasing the stock. Because when it goes to 7, 8, 9, 10, which has been there several times over the last couple of weeks, you don't want to then start chasing it, do you? That makes no sense at all. Anyway, let's have a little look. Who have we got here? Paul B. Dutch agency that arrested Tornado Cash developer says creating a tool for the sole purpose of committing criminal acts may be punishable. Got some more ETH news too. All right, share away. Fantastic to hear. You're doing great, church. I'm good as well. Lovely stuff. It's Caden. Will we continue to sub tomorrow and into next week's? What's your thoughts? Most people think so. Most people think so. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter to me because I'm comfortably up in most of my stocks because I've been buying them for months. And I know it's a rocky time ahead. This is not a bull market. It is a bear market rally. But I'm holding my stocks for very good reason, as I've already explained. It could well happen. The fact we've not had a rally, I thought we'd have a rally into the close. We've not had that. There's every reason. I mean, most of you believe that there's going to be a sell-off now. So you could wipe out your stocks if you want. If you've got profits, you could take it. And there's nothing wrong with taking profits. Nothing wrong with taking profits at all. Trader Timothy, how are you, Trader Timothy? If you've if you've let your subscription, subscribers, yay! I've got my subscriber back on Twitch. Thank you very much. There you go. We were at 6. You need to get your subscribers back because it's free to subscribe using Amazon Prime, and you'll be in the draw every month. Everyone should be a subscriber on Twitch, because I give back in cash prizes the subscriber money, and it's free using Amazon Prime. I was up to 10, I went down to 6, and I don't know why, because it makes no sense. You should all be subscribers on Twitch. Anyway, thanks for resubscribing, just so I can give you the money back. I mean, it's good for you, right? Trader Timothy said, I sold IonQ before earnings and bought back in this today. Yes, let's have a look. IonQ. What did you do? How do you do, IonQ? Let's have a little look. It's around here somewhere. Here we go, IonQ. Let's have a little look. I'm up 46%. I don't like this market. This market doesn't know where it's going. What did you do? I sold long before the earnings, and I bought back in this today. Yes. So you sold it here. And you've bought back in here. Now, yeah, I'm not gonna say anything, but this is the exact opposite of what you should be doing. When it pumped like that, you wait for the next opportunity. You don't buy it up there. You buy it because you believe in it first and foremost, because you know, I mean, do you know what it does? IonQ, do you know what it does? Quantum computers, it's going to be the technology of all the EVs, self-driving cars, faster technology, faster computers. Of course it's got a future. I was nervous about earnings. Doesn't matter about earnings. Doesn't matter how much money it loses. Where's the stock going? Not where it is. Where's it going? Do you believe in quantum computing? Do you believe that IonQ, being the second biggest investment Amazon's made, then that's why you hold it? But never mind. You are back in again. IonQ is still cheap. But I'm just holding it. I'm not adding to it. I'm just holding it. I was nervous about earnings. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous about something you understand. If you're nervous, it's because you don't understand what you own. And that's not a criticism. That is for you to go out and then find out what it is you own and be confident in your convictions. If you're just following everybody else, that's when you get nervous. When you get nervous, you do the wrong thing. That's why Warren Buffett is so successful. Warren Buffett gets to know all the right people. He gets to find out exactly what's going on. Apple holding strong in the bloodbath today, yes. Analysis have upgraded their expectations of Apple. Apple really is doing really well. Again, another stock with a nice dividend, a good growth rate. Let's have a look at it. And we are nearly at an all-time high now with Apple. Should you be buying Apple right now? No. There's always an opportunity in time. I'm not buying Apple again. I learned a lesson, so it's all good. As long as you always learn, that's brilliant. It's 6% of my portfolio, and that's what it should be. And as it grows, it'll remain about, as my overall portfolio grows, Apple will always remain about 6%. And that's about right. That's where Apple wants to be. More than crypto, I think. I said allocation of 5% for crypto. I think 6%, 6-7% is a very good allocation for Apple. It comes with a good dividend. The dividends will be reinvested automatically. So I'm happy with that. Up 35% on Apple. I don't know. I don't know to sell, or you don't want to sell. 35% is a good profit, isn't it? Paul B says, scroll up. Coinbase Wallet has added support to bridge assets between Ethereum and Polygon on their browser extension. Coinbase Wallet has added support to bridge assets between Ethereum and Polygon. I'm on Polygon with my OpenSea, and I would love Paul B's advice on this. I've got an OpenSea account. I've sold 6 NFTs, 6 or 7, something like that, and I've got no money. People have paid using my OpenSea account. They bought NFTs. I've got my MetaMask wallet on the Polygon network, which is Ethereum, and I've got no money in it. I can't see it. I can't see any money at all in my thing. I hate it. Absolutely hate it. I do not know how to get my own money. 6 to 7 people have bought NFTs on my account, on my OpenSea. I can't get hold of anybody. No one will help me, and I've got no money in the wallet. Now, some of you will say, well, if you changed it over to the Polygon network, yeah, I've tried Ethereum, Polygon network. I can't see any money in my wallet at all. And yet on my OpenSea account, it says I've sold all these NFTs, and yet I've got no money in my wallet whatsoever. I'm really, really unhappy with it. If I'm honest with you, I feel it's like a horrible. And that's the trouble. A lot of people experience this confusion, and I've got confusion. I've sold NFTs and I've got no money. Hi on Twitch. I learned a lesson, so it's all good. Is that Caden on Twitch? Did you resubscribe? Is that what you're talking about over on Twitch? Make sure that you are a subscriber on Twitch. Otherwise, you miss out on the draw, and it's free to subscribe, right? I learned a lesson, so it's all good. Up 35%. We'll see what tomorrow brings, and maybe I'll sell. CSX is back up like Apple now. Let's have a look. CSX doing very well. There you go. If it's an NFT, it's a scam. Leave it alone. If it's an NFT, it's a scam. Well, I thought OpenSea was the biggest, best platform to use. You'll be margined. Here he comes, Arnold Palmer. Arnold the Palmer, here he is. So yeah, I'm very, very confused. Arnold, make sure that you've renewed your subscription. We've lost 3 subscribers on Twitch, and it's free, and you'll be out of the prize draw. Make sure that you do that, guys, using your Amazon Prime. I think one of my companies is about to either sell or go bankrupt. I've lost all confidence in where it's going. I think it's time to consider selling. Which company is that, Logan? When you say it's about to sell, what do you mean? A buyout, a takeover? What? What do you mean by sell? He's talking about space. Sounds like you need to get in touch with OpenSea, and it's not the best marketplace. Is the best in, and it's not the best EBSUS. I don't know what that means. Sorry, Paul. Not sure what that means, but yeah, it's very frustrating. It shouldn't be that way, should it? This is why there's so much. This is why crypto has so much negative stuff involved. You know, I went to the trouble of setting up an account, promoting it, sold 7 NFTs, and I've got no benefit to it at all. None whatsoever. I mean, the money's just gone. I don't know where it's gone. Ain't got a clue. Anyway, Virgin Orbit just about on $4. Believe me, that's how it's spelt. Oh, sounds like you need to get in touch with OpenSea, and it's not the best EBSUS marketplace. Oh, not the best. EBSUS marketplace is the best in my opinion. There you go. If you put a comma or a full stop, I'd know what you were saying. Believe me, that's how it's spelt. Parmesan. What's all that mean, Bill? Love the way people just throw in random. I mean, what is it about this channel? Bill just comes on and writes the word Parmesan cheese. I mean, that's brilliant, isn't it? Anyway, we're coming up to the end of the show. It's time for Day Trader of the Day. Let's do that right now. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Let's have a little look. My overall portfolio at the moment is going sideways. It didn't react very well to the Fed. 43,469. It's an annoying song on America's Got Talent. All right. Thanks for sharing that. Nothing like confusion, Bill. Nothing like confusion. Right. Thank you for all the viewers over there on TikTok, on Twitch. I really do appreciate that. All that ad revenue and all that memberships, I return to you. All you got to do is keep a tab open, keep the ad revenue coming in, and of course, the subscribers. I'll forward you a like for you. I'll forward you a like for you to browse. You buy your NFTs with Chrome. Maybe the day trader can be part of the Kronos network. Buying via DeFi is so easy. I'd love to know, but right now I'm completely and utterly fed up with NFTs. I went to all the trouble of doing it on the main platform. I believe I did all my research, and I can't get any contact from anybody. People have paid good money for my NFTs. I think you bought one, right? I mean, you own the NFT. You're happy, but I've not got the money for it. I know you paid me. I know you paid for it. It's not you. But I haven't got a clue where the money's going. I don't know. I ain't got a clue. It all just seems a complete joke. We will get you set up. All right, Paul B. Paul B is going to help me out. Paul B is going to sort it all out. There you go. The company is called Jupiter Wellness. Jupiter Wellness. Well, we'll have a look. Paul B's going to help me, folks. You've seen it. You heard it here first. Right. Let's go Day Trader of the Day, and let's end our show this afternoon. So let's have a quick commercial break. Hang on. How many likes you got on the video? Let's have a quick look. We got 30 likes. Very, very good indeed. Happy with that. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Here comes a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. All right, we're back with you. And now it's time for Day Trader of the Day. So go to your main portfolio. Here's my situation right now. Your NFTs got margined. I don't know what to tell you, nor do I. I can show you, look. OpenSea. NFTs, look. OpenSea. Okay, I've got to log on first of all. Let me just log on. Log on with MetaMask. That's the account I've got. I might have to go through a few hoops. Sell NFTs, buy Tesla. I agree with you. Oh, okay. I've got to go through a few hoops, so forget that for a minute. I'll do it another time. It's never easy, is it? Sorry about that. I'll try it later on. Okay. My main portfolio right now is down 3.47. So here we go. Let's find out who wins or loses today. Down 3.47%. There we go. Let's have a little look. You ready? That meant to be down. I'll say that again. DOWN. 3.47%. There you go. And let's go to it right now. Put 1 minute on the clock when the first person posts, and we'll see who wins or loses today. Thank you ever so much indeed. Give you 1 minute. When the first person posts, all Tesla's coming back up again. We've got a couple more. Virgin Orbit, 397. Such a drop, but I'm still up nearly 9%. I'm not worried. S&P is trying to come up as well. Rio Tinto. It's been held up right now by by Apple, by the way. But this is an overall market sell-off. It's not just another reason why this has happened is the market got spooked by UK inflation being 10%. That's another thing. When that news came out today, that's when the markets dropped. So it's probably that's probably taken away the Fed's potentially good news. Right. Okay, here come the scores. 1 minute on the clock now. Here we go. Down 3.78. I'm still in the lead at down 3.47 from Brickmark. Let's have a little look. Zero chicky 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 pow pow. Zero chicky 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 pow pow. You ready? Arnold is down 1.12. Arnold the Palmer goes into the lead. Church of Logic is down 7.73. Ouch. That's a big drop. That's painful. On my portfolio, that'd be about $4,000 down. 4.5 grand. That'd be a dramatic day for me. That would sting. All right. Bill is down 1.21. There we go. Let's have a little look. I'm amazed we've had no birthdays recently. It's incredible. Church of Logic down 400. $400. Yeah, it's a lot of money, mate. Remember, it's all about percentages though, right? It's all about percentages. Hey, my favourite Englishman, Alicia, how are you? Great to see you. Dexter Sickles down 3.3. Bill is in the lead. Oh no, Arnold the Palmer is in the lead, 1.1. Pauline Chan is down 2.12. Hello, Pauline Chan. I didn't even know you were here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Pauline Chan, lovely to have you here. I'm good, says the Church of Logic. Good man. I'm 40 in October. Great. We'll be celebrating. My birthday is on October 19th. Great. It's like we've had no birthdays for ages. It's a perk of being a member. And we give all this wonderful stuff, and there's like, we've not done any for ages. Anyway, still on my goal track. I'm still up over the past 3 months. Fantastic. So it looks like the winner today, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Arnold Palmer is the winner. Unbelievable. He's over on Twitch. He's not even on YouTube, and he wins. How amazing is that? All right, thank you very much indeed for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up, and here come the sound effects. Oh, yeah. All righty then. Alicia, no pineapple on pizza for me either. I like a bit of pineapple. What's wrong with pineapple? What's wrong with you? My port of 95% Tesla will beat everybody here. Well, technically, you shouldn't have told me that. Because technically, it's your overall portfolio. If you only have one stock, you can't win. But you've said it's a portfolio of 95% Tesla. All right, you have to have an overall portfolio, not just one stock. But you did say it was 95%, so I'm assuming you got 5% of everything else. But anyway, good. All right, we've just about come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow is Thursday, one day before our cash prize giveaway. Now, I will tell you that only a handful of people have opened their emails and watched the video for Friday. I cannot believe it. Very, very good chance this week of winning the cash prize. A very, very good week for you to win. So make sure that you've opened your email. If you haven't yet got your weekly newsletter, it's below the video in the description. As always, you can sign up for our weekly newsletter and you can get in with our free prize draw. It used to be way less, about 70%. All my other stocks go to, I can't read that word out, cheese and chips on mine, please. Cheese and chips. Cheese and chips. Lovely. Right, here we go. We're about to blow the whistle on the market. Let's see. You ready? 25 seconds to go. Let's see if we get a rise into the close. It's certainly been dead all day. It's been a rubbishy day on the stock market today. No question about it. Let's go to Tesla. Here we go. 10 seconds to go. Let's have a little look. You ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's ring the bell. Here we go. Let's see. I said would get a rise into the close. Are we going to get any after hours action? My portfolio is 43.3. It was just at 45. I've lost $1,700 today. Not good. But remember, you only lose when you sell when you're down. Stocks go up, stocks go down. It's where you end up in 20 years' time. That's what this is all about. Right, let's go through. Any after hours action. Sometimes you see some stuff. Let's have a little look. Ethereum still going down. Bitcoin still going down. Some days you see a dramatic swing in the after hours. Something happens, figures come out. In 20 years, Tesla will millions per share. Says Arnold the Palmer. Just needs to correct that, just so you know I didn't say that. Ginkgo Bioworks up 1% after hours, so there's a little bit of action there from Ginkgo. Tilray is up after hours. Yep. I said it would rise into the close, and we're getting a rise in the after hours, so I was technically right. Even so, I won't take that as a win. That doesn't really count. Walmart is up 0.07. PayPal. Yeah, most things are just going up into the close. Not a great deal, though. I think it's quite a stagnant trading floor today. I don't think anyone really knows where everyone's going. I think we are in a bear market. It is a bear market rally. People don't know when it's going to end. We're not in a bull market. There's nothing to celebrate. The Fed's response minutes wasn't one way or the other. Nothing exciting. And I think because of that, people have sold off, taken some money off the top. They're not sold out, just taking some money off the top. And now we're going sideways. And even in the after hours, there's not much to get excited about, is there? That's it. Nothing really. Okay, me and you should smoke a doobie, in my opinion, whatever will be. The future's not ours to see. Smoke a doobie. I don't smoke anything. I don't do anything like that. My tastes are still so good. All right, says Ali. There we go. Thanks for being here. I just need someone now to say, roll the credits, and we can roll the credits. And let's have a little look. End our poll. We said, will we rise into the close? 64% said no. You were right, even though we are going up in the after hours. Technically, you were right. Overall, I was right. I know. Right, okay. Just need someone to say roll the credits, and we'll roll the credits, and we're out of here. I'll see you back in the morning for the opening bell. Let's hope for a more exciting day. It's been a real drabby day, really. Not a great deal going on. Some days is like this. That's the way it goes. All right, someone give me the command, roll the credits, and that's exactly what I shall do. All right. Let's have a little look. Oops, let me refresh the screen. Rio Tinto. There we go, that's better. Yeah, Virgin Orbit up 0.25%. Boogie on the credits. Okay, thank you, Bill. Roll the credits. Here we go. Let's see who took part in today's show. Who was a star of the show? Not a lot of action today. It's been a drabby sort of day. So anyway, followers over... Oh my gosh. How can I make this last for the length of the song? I can't is the answer to that question. Moderators, nothing happened there. And I got a follower, SB Trades, over there on Twitch. I hope you subscribe to me as well. That way you'll get in our free prize draw. But can you check Jupiter Wellness tomorrow? Logan Pizza, yes. Happy to do that. Remind me in the show tomorrow. Logan Pizza, I'll be there for you. You are one of my members, so you can get the best of service. I will join you all back in the morning. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much, everybody on TikTok. And thanks to all of you. See you back in the morning. Let's hope today is a more exciting day. Today has been a bit yucky. No one really knows where the markets are going. A lot of confidence at the moment being lost. But never mind. Did we get any more subscribers? Well, we're now at 4,411. 5,000 shares. Sorry, 5,000 subscribers. We have a great show planned for you. That's the star of YouTube, Greg Dickerson, will be on our show. He's a big YouTuber and he's coming on our show. Anyway, till then, take care of yourselves and each other. See you back in the morning. Bye-bye for now.